Hey guys, it's Frances and I'm hosting this week's collaboration, and I chose the theme scary movies, which is kind of funny because I'm kind of a chicken when it comes to scary movies. But here is a sneak peek of what all the ladies have done. They knocked it way out of the park, as they always do. I will link their information below, and if you're coming to me from one of them, welcome. I hope you enjoy. And you'll notice that none of us use the same movies, which I thought was pretty cool. So coming up right next is going to be mine, and I chose Dracula, which I think is a scary movie, but a very cool movie and a very cool concept. So just keep watching. And I'm starting out with this Orly Breathable, and it is in the color Power Packed. And I think I went with 2 coats of that. And I'm going to be using 2 different sets of plates for this. This first one is an Ejiubas plate, and it came in a set with Christmas and Halloween, 1 plate, and they're back and front and back. And I'm going to start with the blood spatter, and I'm using a Beauty Big Bang polish. And I've said this before about Ejiubas plates. They are really, really deeply etched. So if you don't have enough polish, you can always add more. And the polish doesn't dry super, super fast, so you can kind of play around with it a little bit, which is really nice. And that blood spatter image looks pretty legit, I have to say. And then I'm going to go with this blood drip, and I'm going to put that on my thumb, because, I mean, Dracula is pretty much all about blood, right? So you had to have some blood. And this is what I was saying about being able to play with the Ejiubas plates. I didn't really love part of the image I thought got left off, so I was able to put another part of the image on there, and it stuck pretty well. And then I'm going back to the same side of the plate, and I'm going to be using these bats on my index finger, and I'm using an Esmalta Kelly, and I think it's called Pinguino. And here again, I thought it needed a little bit of an extra bat over there in that empty space, and I was able to add another bat. And then on the flip side of that Ejiubas plate is more of a buffet style image, and there's a castle there, which was perfect. And I had no problem scraping with these images with big empty spaces in them either. They scraped beautifully. And then I'm going to go ahead and use part of this little graveyard with the branches. I wanted to get both in there. And then as I'm putting it on my pinky nail, I'm realizing my nail's just not wide enough to do that. So I didn't really love the finished look on that one. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just retake that tombstone. And I would not try not cleaning an image with different plates, but on the Ejiubas plates it works. Usually I clean the image in between, but I didn't have to on this one. I just went ahead and picked up that tombstone image and popped it on there, and I like how it turned out. And then this is a Bundle Monster square plate. This is from one of their, I think it was their fall collection, so it was Halloween and just like fall themed plates. And there's an image of Dracula in the middle there. With these buffet plates, there's so much on there, but you do need to clean off the image unless you want all the words and stuff on there. So I'm just using a piece of Scotch tape to pick up part of the image, and it picked up part of his lapel there, but I didn't think it made that big a difference. I wasn't gonna pick up the image again and try again. So I'm just removing all those little pieces, and then I'm going to stamp over that blood spatter. And just with a little cleanup and some fast dry top coat, I am done. Let me know what you guys think in the information or in the comments below. I will link the ladies as I always do. Make sure that you go check them out, and if you're coming from them, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for spending your time, and I will see you again next time. Bye.